Hi, this is good or?
Yeah, this is nice for
Yeah. Just simple, you know. I don't want that big also because I'm on a bike, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm planning.
This is also not pretty for the table, or do you need some higher?
What can you suggest?
Yeah.
This one also?
Oh yes, absolutely.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Colors with roses in this color.
Okay.
Pink and white.
Yeah.
With purple. That's more autumn. That's maybe too dark.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
This is more
Yeah.
lightful. Yeah. Give this.
Later.
Later.
Yeah,
Can you
maybe in the afternoon.
put it on?
Okay.
Yeah, till that time.
All right, sure.
Yeah.
I think I will get this one.
Very good.
All right, sure. Thanks for your help.
Yes, of course.
Because it's our anniversary today, so you know,
No.
just a simple. Yeah, 14 years. Do
Kijk.
you accept cash?
Yes.
Okay.
It's money, huh?
Yeah, of course. Okay,
So
perfect.
when you put it, a little bit water, that's normal.
Okay, so what's the name of your shop? Bloemenweiden? How do you read it?
One more time.
How do you read it?
Bloemenweiden.
Bloemenweiden. Okay, so I'm so sorry. I'm not good at that. Okay, thank you so much for your help.
That's okay.
Yeah. Have a nice day. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Okay na mga amigos, uwian na. Mission accomplished. Doon tanong. Paano natin dadalhin to? Takina. Ganyan siguro. Pwede. Kaya pala ginawa to, no? Lagayan pala ng bulaklak to. Hindi pala to lagayan ng inumin. Hi. Teka, hold it. Tuwa si nanay sa akin Yung asawa ko kayo matutuwa. Ano kaya ang mag-hand sign nito? Pauwi na rin tayo, malapit lang naman. Sana hindi lang malaglag to. Para naman presentable pa siya bago ko mabigay, no? Saan lakas na akin, boy. Parang durug-durug na to pagkadating, Well, anyway, yung effort naman ang importante dyan. Hindi naman yung pinakabulaklak kasi yung bulaklak na yan, madededs din yan mamaya, bukas wala na yan. So yung nag-effort ka, yun ang pinaka-important. No, at least, di ba? Hindi lang tayo bumili ng bulaklak. May mga na-discover pa tayong ibang lugar